Hey everyone, welcome back to Foxtecc. Today I'm going to clear up a common question: how to switch from the slide to answer option on your iPhone to the accept or decline buttons when answering calls. This setup can be a bit confusing if you're not sure why it changes on its own, so let's break it down. On iPhones, whether you see slide to answer or accept and decline actually depends on your phone's current state. Here's the deal. When your phone is locked, you'll see slide to answer. This is actually a security feature to prevent you from accidentally answering a call if your phone is in your pocket or bag. On the other hand, if your phone is unlocked when a call comes in, you'll see the accept and decline buttons, giving you a quicker way to respond without the swipe. Now, if you'd like to make sure you always see the accept and decline buttons, there are a couple of ways to help with that. One option is to keep your phone unlocked before you expect a call. This will let those buttons appear automatically when the call comes in. Another trick is to use a feature called Assistive Touch, which you can enable by going to Settings, then Accessibility, and selecting Touch. Assistive Touch lets you set up a shortcut to answer or decline calls, giving you a bit more control over how you handle incoming calls. If you're hoping for even more customization, like permanently switching between these options, that's a bit trickier. iOS doesn't have a setting to let you choose between slide to answer and accept decline manually. However, some third-party apps, particularly ones compatible with CallKit, might offer some extra features for call management. But keep in mind, this still won't change Apple's default options directly. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped clear things up. If you found this useful, be sure to like and subscribe to Foxtecc for more iPhone tips. See you later.